Welcome to Modern Decor World. Modern coffee table decor ideas and simple styling that feels high-end. There is a strange phenomenon happening in beautifully designed living rooms everywhere. The sofa is perfect, the rug is gorgeous, the lighting is dialed in, and then the coffee table sits there looking like, well, a random pile of stuff accumulated over time rather than a styled surface. Here is what nobody tells you. The coffee table is the single most photographed, most glanced at surface in your entire living room, and yet, it is almost always the most neglected. It's not about buying expensive decor. It's about understanding a handful of simple styling principles that interior designers use to make even a $15 candle look like it belongs in a luxury catalog. By the end of this video, you will never look at an empty coffee table the same way again. And point number 7. It is the rule that instantly separates amateur styling from designer-level styling, and almost nobody applies it correctly. Let us get into it. Hey, vary the height of every object you place. A coffee table covered in objects that are all the same height looks flat and lifeless, no matter how nice each individual piece is. Mixing a tall vase, a medium stack of books, and a low candle creates visual rhythm, guiding the eye naturally across the surface instead of letting it go flat. Leave negative space. Don't fill every inch. Here is the rule that separates amateur styling from designer styling. Empty space isn't a gap to fill, it is a design choice. A coffee table covered edge to edge in objects feels cluttered and overwhelming, while one with intentional breathing room around each grouping feels calm, curated, and expensive, even with fewer items overall. So, consider scale relative to your table size. Tiny decor items on a large coffee table, well, they just look lost and insignificant, while oversized pieces on a small table can feel cramped and impractical. Matching the scale of your objects to your table's actual dimensions is a small detail that, honestly, makes a massive visual difference. Stack books with purpose, not just for height. Books aren't just filler. They're actually one of the easiest ways to add personality and visual height. The trick is choosing books with covers or spines that complement your color palette, and then stacking them by size with the largest on the bottom. That way, you create a stable, intentional-looking base for other objects. Use the rule of odd numbers. Groupings of 3 almost always look more visually balanced than groupings of 2 or 4. 3 objects, say a candle, a small vase, and a stack of books, create natural visual triangulation that just feels effortless, even though it's actually a deliberate design principle designers rely on constantly. Match your styling to the room's color story. You know, random decor colors that clash with your living room's overall palette can really make a coffee table feel disconnected from the rest of the space. But pulling 1 or 2 existing colors from your rug, walls, or sofa into your tabletop, styling just ties the whole room together effortlessly. Hey, start with a tray to anchor everything. An empty coffee table surface feels disorganized, no matter what you place on it, but a simple tray instantly creates structure. It defines a zone within the larger table, making even a few small objects look intentional rather than scattered. Oh, and choose a tray material that contrasts slightly with your table for a bit of visual definition. Choose one hero object with personality. Every well-styled coffee table has one piece that catches the eye first. A unique sculptural object, an interesting bowl, or a piece with personal meaning. This hero object gives the entire arrangement a focal point, preventing it from feeling like generic, interchangeable decor. Quick pause before we get into the designer-level secrets. If you've already got a coffee table in mind that you're mentally restyling right now, that's exactly why this channel exists. So, if you haven't already, hit subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment telling me what's currently sitting on your coffee table. Be honest, we've all got that one random object we need to relocate. I read every comment and it genuinely shapes future videos. Okay, let's get into the final 4 points. Bring in one organic living element. A small plant, a few stems in a vase, or even a simple branch instantly softens a coffee table and prevents it from feeling stiff or showroom staged. Living elements introduce texture and a sense of freshness that styled objects alone simply can't replicate. Rotate your stylings seasonally. A coffee table styled once and never touched again starts to feel stale, even if it was perfect initially. Swapping a candle scent, changing a vase's florals, or adding a seasonal accent keeps the space feeling fresh and intentional throughout the year, rather than static and forgotten. And that's the complete formula. 10 simple styling principles that take your coffee table from an afterthought to one of the most intentional, high-end feeling surfaces in your entire home. The real secret isn't expensive decor at all. It's restraint, balance, and a willingness to leave a little empty space where your instinct says to fill it. So now I want to know, what's the first thing you're changing on your coffee table after watching this? Tell me in the comments, because I read every single one and your answer might inspire the next styling video. If this gave you a few ideas you're already itching to try, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Hit like to help someone else upgrade their coffee table too. And I'll see you in the next video, where we're tackling the bookshelf styling mistakes almost everyone makes without realizing it.